Welcome to FX Street. Please head on over to YouTube, join our channel by hitting that subscribe button. You can follow Akash and I individually, Akash at Among Yeko 0 and myself at Just Analysis 1. Taking a look here at Decentraland. Did an article on Decentraland last week. I think the last article I talked about was two trade setups I see, and that has not really changed much. The price action here is really kind of sloppy, really indicative of a people kind of like just ho-humming around the market, really sitting here mostly directionless. Although yesterday's close was quite ugly. I know on some exchanges this would display as a bearish engulfing candlestick for Monday, and then you look at Tuesday, we're dipping down a little bit lower. The composite index, very close to crossing below both of its moving averages, would be a very kind of ugly bearish event. And so the two trade setups on the point and figure chart that exist. The first one is on the 10-cent 3-box reversal chart. That'd be the breakdown of a triple bottom. That'd be a sell stop at 260, stop loss at $3, and the target on that is all the way down at $1.40. Now, I don't think $1.40 is one that where it gets to. Definitely $2, I think, is very, very likely. That is the 50% fib retracement, which from the all-time high to the low of the strong bar on the weekly chart, of which Decentraland has not had that 50% retracement yet. So I think that that's still very much in the cards. But if it decides not to do that, then on the 20-cent 3-box reversal, there is a bullish continuation setup that has an entry at $3.80, which also breaks out above the bear market angle and would convert Decentraland into a bull market, and that would initiate another leg higher. So I don't see, it looks, the thing is, the structure here has been very bearish for like over almost 2 weeks without a ton of sellers coming in. This is one of those things where bears are really unable or unwilling to push it down further south. So that's something to pay attention to. So despite the bearish setup, fall through hasn't happened yet, and that could be positioning it for a trap of sorts. But we'll have to wait and see what happens, and just watch and look out and have opportunities on both ends of the market to capitalize on. That does it for me on Decentraland. Kash, I'll pass it off to you.
Thank you, John. So there's a really big inefficiency here from $0.86 to $2.2. I'm not saying it's going to go down here, but something I thought the viewers should know. But beyond this, the one level that I'm really concentrating on is this daily demand zone here, ranging from 2.2 to 2.87. And since its all-time high here on 25th November, the price has repeatedly retested this demand zone here. And so far, the 100-day moving average was kind of acting as a support. And now the price is it's actually breached below this on a daily time frame, as you can see here. And another important thing to watch here is this declining trend line, the bear trend line here, which is serving as resistance for roughly 43 days. Was kind of breached here on 16 Jan, but since then the price is fully retraced and actually it's gone lower than what it was before. So from a 4-hour time frame perspective, there's quite a bit of liquidity resting here, about 3.38, which is just above the weekly resistance at 3.25. And I think we need to see like a decisive daily close, a move above this, and then a retest which kind of holds it to see any sort of directional bias to the upside. And until then, I think the price is going to consolidate in between these two levels here. Unlike sand, which is another metaverse token. Decentraland kind of seems to have fallen off, and it's lost the interest that it had. So I believe the consolidation is going to continue until we get a decisive close above 3.381. The upside for now, at least for the short term, mid to short term outlook or scenario, I think is capped around $4. There's quite a bit of consolidation that took place here, so moving above this would mean that we could see higher or quick volatile moves towards the upside. But for now, the upside is capped at $4, and the downside is capped at $2.2, which is the end of this demand zone here. I don't kind of see it coming all the way down here, at least not with the volatility that we have going on right now. But I do see it kind of forming a bottom around 2.2, and if we do ever come down to this level. So yeah, that's my take on Decentraland.
All right. Well, thank you, Akash. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.